Hey friend, welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can make some Christmas money the easy way. I'm going to show you how to batch your designs. Let's get started. We don't waste time over here, baby. Let's go. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to come to ChatGPT. And you want to just ask chat, because the family Christmas shirts are what's in. They're hot right now. So jump on board before probably the 15th of December because you want to have time to design them, get them out, whatever. Let's get to it. So the first thing I want to do, I want to say hi chat because I always speak. And then I'll say, okay, so I'm going to say, please give me catchy. Okay, so I'm just going to say, please give me 20. I'm just going to say 20. 20 catchy, funny Christmas. I'm going to say phrases. Yeah. Couldn't think of the word right then. Phrases for family Christmas shirts. I will add the most likely. I want you to finish the phrase with a short, funny phrase that will be like most likely to. I'm gonna say knock the Christmas tree down. Okay. You see I spell stuff wrong? It's fine though. Chat know how to spell. Well, it just want me to add a comma. Which we gonna do it. I got Grammarly hooked up to everything I do. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit this up arrow to let it generate, and let's see what it tells us. Okay, let's go through a few. You always want to read them, check for spelling errors, and make sure it doesn't duplicate any phrase. So this will say most likely to knock the tree down before breakfast. Take the tree out. Say I want them shorter. Make them shorter. Okay, make the phrases shorter with no in front. Because I want to make it easy for me, and you'll see why in a minute. In front of the phrases. Anytime chat does something that you really don't want it to do, just tell it, like, hey, like right there, you see it added those dots. If I copy all of this, it's going to add those dots. I'm going to have to go through it and delete those dots. I don't want to. So just tell chat like, hey, you did a great job, but I want you to do this. And it'll go back and do what you asked it to do. So right here, say knock the Christmas tree down. Drop the tree like a rookie. Hold on. I'm going to say add, because I forgot add to the beginning of each phrase. And I'm showing y'all like this because in reality, this is the error that the issues that y'all gonna run into, and I want you to be able to know what to do when you run into these issues. Okay, so let's just read a few. To drop the tree like a rookie, to take out the tree again, to tackle the Christmas tree. Oh, okay, so it's because I said something about the tree, it wants to, right here, when I said most likely to knock the tree down, it's reference everything to a tree. So I'm just going to tell chat, hey, I like those, but I do not want all of the phrases to be about trees. Trees. I want the phrases short and funny. About things family members may think about themselves. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is better. It says to eat all the Christmas cookies, to open gifts early, to fall asleep before the movie starts, to start family drama. We all know the person's gonna start the drama, right? To forget everyone's gift, to burn the holiday dinner. Okay, so we got some good ones. But once again, check for spelling, check for duplicate phrases. Now, one thing you want to do is select everything, copy. I know a lot of y'all like Google Sheets. I like Excel. So I'm gonna go to Excel, go to a blank workspace, and then I'm just gonna paste it all in here. Okay. Now you see it has the lines in between, so I'm gonna delete these lines. So I'm gonna pause it. Hold on. While I fix this, I don't want any lines in between. Okay, now I have it how I want it. And I'm just going to simply go to File, Save As, and I'm going to do most likely to for Canva. And I'm going to save this somewhere. I'm going to save this on my desktop, I guess. Okay, but before I save, I'm going to drop this down. Because if you got to do this, you got to go to the CSV file. Okay. Now, I'm going to save this to my desktop. And, yeah, I'm just leaving it on my desktop. And we're going to do save. Okay. Close this down. I'm going to go into Canva. Okay. You see, I already did the design to save time. So, now, I'm going to go to Apps. Scroll down on the left, go to apps. Now, if you don't have bulk create, go ahead and get it. But I already have it, so I'm just going to go to bulk create. And I'm going to go to the bottom. Well, let me go back in case you didn't see. I'm going to go to the bottom left. I'm going to go to advanced options. And then, that's not what I'm going to do. Hold on. Okay, let's scratch what I just told you. We're going to start over. And I'm not deleting this because I want you to know, because I was already doing a project, it wanted me to pick up where I left off. So I just opened up a new screen. So I just go to apps. Then I go to bulk create. At the bottom, I go to either you can enter it manually, I don't recommend, or you can upload the data. I uploaded the data. I'm going to click on the one I just saved. I'm going to do open. It's in here, right? Now, I'm going to just select these words, what I want it to fill it in as. And I'm going to show you it's going to make sense in a minute, I promise. Then I'm going to go to these little 3 dots. Hold on. I don't know what my computer doing right now. Hold on. Let's go to, okay, yeah, I'm all over the place tonight. I'm sorry. But select what you want. Select the words. Go to the 3 dots. Scroll down to connect data. And you see right here, it says to eat all the cookies because that's the first one. And you just click on that. And you come over here and you click on continue. And then create the 19 designs that I have. It's preparing. Then right here, you're going to do view design. Okay. And now you see it has it out. I already had the most likely. And then I just changed the bottom. Okay, you see everyone is different, but you see how everyone is kind of a little wonky. It doesn't look the same because the wording is different. I can just simply come here, do layer, bring to the front, and I can edit each one to make it right. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to just leave it up to the system to do it. You want to fix it yourself. Okay, so now this at the front, and if I wanted it a little bit bigger, I could always increase the font size and make it like a 2-liner if I wanted to, like this. And I would just go through each one and I would edit it accordingly, however I wanted it. So like this one needs to be brought to the front. So I bring it to the front. And however you got your first design, you just how it's going to do everything else. So right here, because it's too long, I'm going to make this smaller. And then I'll make sure it's centered. I'm going to bring it to the front. Okay. And you do that for each one. You go down. Some of them going to be good. You don't have to do much editing too. Like this one. This one is good. I don't have to do much editing too. Only thing I'm probably going to do is make this one bigger. Not that big. And I'm going to bring it to the front. Okay. So you just go through and edit each one. Now you see my background is red. If I want it on a black shirt, I want to see how it's going to look on black. I could just come down here. It looks good on black. If I want to see how it's going to look on the lime green shirt, it actually looks good on this lime green shirt. Then what I'm going to do, I'll copy everything. Go ahead and group it. And I want to go to elements. And I want to go to, I'm going to say lime green t-shirt. Just to see how it's going to look. I like to go to see all the photos. I want to see somebody in it. But they must don't have a lot of people in lime green. So it's giving me other colors, which is fine. I'm just going to pick one in a few minutes. One that I like the background on. Because like I told you, when you're doing mock-ups, you want it to be able to sell to people. This one is cute. So I like this one. So what I do is I make this smaller. I make her bigger. So you can see the design right here. And I'll just layer it and I'll send it to the back. And I'll take this and I'll put it on front of this shirt. That's my mock-up right here. Now, because I have 20 different designs, I told you guys you can make money several different ways on these designs. One, I could offer custom t-shirts, right? I could offer custom t-shirts. Two, I could, if I don't have a printer, I could order the prints and sell the prints, right? But I would do a pre-order on that because you'll waste money if don't nobody buy them. That's two. Three, I would edit all this, make it look good and neat. I'll come here, do share, do download. Dang, what I do? Hold on, I'm sure I do. I'll come to share. I'll go do a template link. And I would change the link so that everybody with this link could, everybody with this link, I'll do it right here first. I would do anyone with the link. I would do create. No, I'm moving too fast. I would do everyone with the link can edit, right? Can edit. Then I would just copy this link, go over to my stand store, put that link in my stand store, write a good description, make me a reel or a post or something, and offer it in a digital product. That way I created this one time in less than 15 minutes, and I can sell a digital products to 1,000 customers that I only created once. You can do all three. You can run all three plays. Because guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to post this mock-up, maybe not this one, but another mock-up, and I'm going to offer these shirts, right? Then, if somebody want to order some prints, I'm going to offer them the opportunity to order the prints. But for some of you guys that don't want to sit here and do the work, and you're like, hey, you already got it designed, just send it to me, I'm gonna offer you the digital product, and there's 3 ways I can make money off something it took me less than 15 minutes to do. So do me a favor, in the comment, tell me which way you're gonna offer this product to your customer. Because just like I just showed you, you can go in and do it yourself, or you can buy the digital product from me and go in and edit it, because it's really simple to edit. So say for instance this, you may want to change the color of it. You can come here and make this white, and then change the effects. It's an outline. You can change the effects to black. You can make them thicker. You can change the font. I'm just going to pick a font. You can change the font. You can do what you want to make it your own, right? So I'm just playing with it at this point. You can edit it, okay? So I like that font. I'm going to keep this font up here just so I can, hold on. I like that font for something else though, not this. That it don't look good for this. So I'm going to leave it there just so I can come back to this font and use it for something else. But anyway, let me know in the comments. You know I talk back. You got any questions? Let me know if this video was helpful for you or if not. But this is 3 ways you can make you some quick holiday money. For me, I'm going to do all 3. I'm going to sell it as a digital product. I'm going to offer it as prints. And I'm going to sell it as t-shirts for families who want to purchase it. I'm going to do all 3. Let me know in the comments what you're going to do.